Alright, Fuzz Pie Guy here. I'm going to show you how the iPhone can be one big storage data hog. So when you go under your settings, we'll just go under General, then About. Then if we scroll up, as you can see, I only have 1.66 gigs of space left on my phone. So if we go back and we go down here to iPhone storage, now as you can see, I have 14.3 of 16 gigs. And yes, a lot of it's apps, basically. So what we can do is, if we go down here, we scroll down, you'll see your apps. So for example, we got Twitter, Facebook, and Messenger, and Photos, and so on. So if I click on this, as you can see, there's 97.2 meg of the app size. That's it. Then data and documents is over almost a half a gig. So if we go back and look at Facebook, yeah, the app size is huge because Facebook didn't know how to make it any smaller. But if you look at that, we're up to 269 meg. So this will really eat your storage up big time. So what we're going to do is, for example, we're going to delete the Twitter app. So we're going to delete that. Alright, so now we got rid of that. So if we go back and click About, look at that. We jumped up to over 2 gig. Now if you restart your phone, you might get a little bit more out of it. But what we're going to do now is we're going to go to the App Store. And we're just going to search Twitter. And as you can see it, I can just download it from the cloud. Alright, so now it's installed. So we'll go back under settings. We'll go under iPhone storage. And now, as soon as we find it, documents and data, 20 KB. So we went from almost a half a gig to 20. I had my YouTube app at one time. If I can find it here. At 1 point some gig. And I uninstalled it, reinstalled it, and it went back to basically 0. And that's where it's been ever since. And that's been several months now. So something you really got to pay attention to free up your storage a little bit. So, I could do the same thing with Facebook, but you get the point. So that's one way to definitely free up your stuff. Now, depending on what you delete, uninstall, you might lose some stuff like that. But uninstalling, Facebook or Twitter and stuff, everything's on their servers anyway, so you're not really going to lose anything. But anyway, thanks for watching and stay tuned for the next one.